hits Lankini. Hanuman did not want to create a scene and become the center of attraction, or else his mission of finding Mother Sita would be in jeopardy. I assure you that I am here just to roam about for a while and then I will be gone, Hanuman tried to tell Lankini. But instead of listening to him, she hit him. Without saying a word, Hanuman gave her a hefty punch. Instantly, she fell down with a loud thud. Her mouth was bleeding profusely from the impact. After some time, she struggled to get up. She bowed before Hanuman and said, "Oh Lord, I now remember what Brahma had prophesied." Hanuman meets Repeation. With Lakshmani's assistance, Hanuman set foot in Lanka. He had made himself small enough to avoid being spotted and started walking and chanting Jai Shri Ram all the way. Now, Hanuman was feeling quite hungry. As he was religious by nature, he could not eat whatever the demons ate. While passing by a palatial building, Hanuman overheard someone repeatedly chanting Jai Shri Ram. Who has the courage to chant this holy name in Ravan's kingdom? He wondered. Hanuman cautiously opened the gate of that building. He was amazed to see a demon couple praying and singing praises in Lord Ram's name. The demon was none other than Ravan's younger brother, Repeation. Repeation was a staunch devotee of Ram. I should strike up a friendship with this fellow. He might help me in my mission, Hanuman thought. So he greeted Repeation and his wife in the Lord's name. The couple welcomed the guest with utmost respect. Repeation helps Hanuman. When Hanuman realized Repeation was a devotee of Lord Ram, he revealed his true identity. He then told him about the actual purpose of his visit. My brother Ravan had abducted Sita from Panchvati. I had warned him that such action could destroy him as well as his clan. But he ignored me. I even tried hard to force him to set Sita free. Repeation further disclosed more details about Sita's whereabouts. He told Hanuman that Sita was held in captivity at Ashok Vatika and was surrounded by many female demons. He also informed Hanuman that Ravan was threatening Sita into marrying him. But Sita, being a symbol of purity, would never let Ravan come near or even touch her. This newfound friendship with brother devotee, Repeation gave Hanuman a lot of happiness. This friend and informer would be very helpful to Ram in entering Lanka and rescuing Sita, Hanuman thought. Hanuman enters Ashok Vatika. Repeation had provided Hanuman with all the details regarding Sita's whereabouts in Lanka. He also advised him to be very careful while entering Ashok Vatika, as it was well guarded by many female demons who were loyal to Ravan. Hanuman thanked Repeation and left. he reduced his size and leapt swiftly from tree to tree without being noticed. Finally, he reached Ashok Vatika and hid himself atop a tree. There, he saw a beautiful woman sitting under a tree. Some ferocious female demons were threatening her to listen to Ravan's wish. This must be Mother Sita, Hanuman thought. In the next instant, Hanuman heard voices shouting, "Long live King Ravan!" Hanuman saw Ravan entering the garden in a procession. Ravan said to Sita, "Accept my hand in marriage. If you don't agree within 3 days, I will kill Ram." Sita did not reply. Her heart and soul were immersed in chanting Ram's name continuously.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.